good, huh?
Let's
That concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me.
Thanks, Goofy.
Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so
So weird, we ended up in front of it. Right behind it. How was that? Did you like it? Yeah? Right? What do you think of that one? Yeah? Maybe. That was pretty cool.
Gosh, what's this lever do?